RS variant. Available color. V variant. Available color. Bring on the looks. The new Honda Brio is designed to turn heads. With its signature RS look, from the side sills to the sleek alloy wheels, the sharp accents and sporty details give the car that polished, aerodynamic build and finish. First, LED headlights with LED daytime running lights. Second, LED fog lights. Third, 15 inches RS design alloy wheels. Fourth, power adjustable and power folding crystal black door mirrors with integrated side turn signals. First, RS design piano black front grille with RS emblem. Second, black roof, 1.2 RS black top CVT only. First, RS design rear bumper garnish. Second, RS design side sill. Third, tailgate spoiler with LED high mount stop lamp. This is the hatchback with big impact, combining sensible design with cool features. The new Honda Brio brings both practicality and style. First, reflector halogen headlights with LED parking light guide 1.2B CVT, 1.2 SMT. Second, LED daytime running lights 1.2 RS variants, 1.2B CVT. Third, chrome front grille 1.2B CVT, 1.2 SMT. First, tail lamps. Second, LED high mount stop lamp. Third, non-intermittent rear wiper. Fourth, 14 inches alloy wheels 1.2B CVT. Interior. Bring on the features. Red interior trims. Steering wheel audio controls with illumination. Audio up-down power window for driver. Tilt adjustable steering wheel. Air conditioning with digital display. 7 inches capacitive touchscreen audio. Tweeter speaker. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Keyless entry. Gear shifter illumination. You're in the zone for some comfortable driving, plus ample cargo space lets you bring all your essentials wherever you go. Need more space? The second row passenger seats fold easily for extra cargo room. First, spacious cabin. Second, new seat pattern with red accent. Third, driver and front passenger seat back pockets. Fourth, cup holders. Fifth, door pockets.
Powerful engine performance and fuel efficiency to take on the road. The 1.2-liter inline four-cylinder SOHC VTEC engine with a continuously variable transmission CVT boasts superior responsiveness and maneuverability. Bring on outstanding fuel efficiency.
The new Honda Brio's specially constructed frame dissipates G-forces in the event of collision, from automatic safety maneuvers to impact mitigating measures. These top-notch features bring peace of mind whenever you drive. Dimensions and weight.
Length 3,811 millimeters. Width 1,682 millimeters. Height 1,487 millimeters. Wheelbase 2,405 mm. Turning radius 4.7 meters. Curved weight 995 kilograms. Cargo capacity 258 liter. Seating capacity 5.
Engine and transmission.
Drive system front-wheel drive. Type inline 4-cylinder SOHC VTEC. Engine displacement 1,199 cc's. Max power 6690 PS 6,000 revolutions per minute. Max torque 11.2 PS 4,800 revolutions per minute. Transmission CVT. Fuel tank capacity 35 liters. Emission rating Euro 4.
Safety and security.
Driver and passenger airbags. Anti-lock braking system ABS. Electronic brake force distribution EBD. Body structure G-Con. Security alarm. Immobilizer. Parking sensors. Price.
Variants.
1.2 RS Blacktop CVT, 863,000 pesos. 1.2 Rs CVT, 853,000 pesos. 1.2B CVT, 827,000 pesos. 1.2 SMT, 735,000 pesos. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.